Hello everyone! Here at Dollhouse we are working on the renovation, remodeling of this new Berg dollhouse. Like a regular remodeling, when you're working on the house, you get debris on your floors. And I thought today that I would try what it's called the world's smallest vacuum. I am going to see if this is something that I can utilize to clean up the mess after I do different steps on the renovation. It works with a USB port. It comes with two tips. This one is a little bit longer, this one is shorter, but it also includes a brush. And it's a little bit smaller than my hand. This is the connector. And I'm using my tablet adapter to charge it to the wall outlet. It does not charge. It has to be connected to the outlet while it is in use. The cord is about 48 inches long. There are little pieces of debris. Can I use a brush or a rag to wipe it down? Certainly. But my floor is not sealed yet, and I don't want these little particles to go into the groove, which can make the floor tight with the natural contraction of the wood because of weather, temperature changes, and humidity change. I don't want it to buckle or puff up right here in the center, so I have to be careful to remove all the debris. Let me try one of the tips first. Did it do the job? It did. I'm going to take it apart to see how much debris was caught into this little container. This is the release button for the canister. And you can see how much debris came out. So it worked. Did I really need this? Certainly not. But come on, I'm a miniaturist, and it is called the smallest vacuum in the world. Okay, so if you're interested in getting it, now you know how small it is and how it works. Thank you.